We're in Midland, Texas, doing an I-20 project for Pulice Construction.
We're in Midland and we're paving the freeway up here. The job runs up and down the freeway. It's a new freeway alignment. They're getting ready to widen the freeway. They're moving all the bridges to make the freeway traffic go over the main arterial roads. So we're the first job of many up in this area.
Police had ordered from us the WPS 102, which is the working placer spreader, SP94i, Slipform Paver, and a TCM 180i texture cure machine.
Come down, Jake. There you go.
We picked the Wirtgen machines because our parent company uses them a lot overseas, and we feel this is a superior machine, and it's got a lot more options and stuff we can use.
Yeah, these machines went through our dealer, Kirby Smith Machinery. Kirby Smith got 4 personnel on site this week, assisting in the machine final assembly, prep for the job site, training, as well as has 3 personnel on site this week to assist in that operation as well.
Which of these lanes are we pouring first?
I need first, I need this line, 24.
That lane right there.
Please.
Back up some.
Mainly, as my job as working product specialist, I work with Wirtgen, the manufacturer of this equipment, and I'm the liaison between Wirtgen and Kirby Smith and the customer. The machines come into our shop and we do a complete PDI on them, and we do a inventory of all the equipment that's on them and function check everything and kind of set them up everything so then once they're out here, they're ready to go.
We received the machine at the end of last week and the beginning of this week. And there was a guy here from Wirtgen here to help us unload and take everything off the truck, make sure everything was here ready to go.
The main thing that makes us a little different here is we have a placement machine, a texture curing machine, and a slip form, all 3 on one. And we're doing a complete startup and training for all 3 of them. Usually it's just one slip form, but they have multiple machines that this company bought from us.
Machinery arrived in, I think last week. We arrived yesterday, started the final assembly, string line in the pan, getting vibrators all set on the SP94i.
All right, we're gonna need the string line and the 2 nuts to check our pan. Oh, and a level.
Hi, Mel.
Hey, you guys get the 2 nuts?
The service has been real good. We have a lot of people out here helping us put the machine together, do all the training, and get everything ready for us to start our paving.
Yeah, and we're gonna need some straps or something, yeah. Yep, or a 3-way or something, yep.
The guys are real knowledgeable and seems like they know what they're doing on the machines. They're doing good.
All right, bring them down a little bit more. Bring them down.
Today we moved on to the WPS 102. We have the belt now mounted to it, doing final assembly on it. Later today, we'll go into operator training and final setup on the TCM 180.
But right now, you guys are running what they call 3D, so you have no string line. The string line is virtual on that computer, okay?
We do have a lot of 3D systems that we already own, and the Wirtgen machine will accept all the systems that we do have right now.
Now this is going to be kind of at your chest, and then the eyepiece is going to be here.
The Wirtgen machine seemed like it's more precise than what we're doing, and we chose the Leica setup to go with it because they're matched up really good.
Both hands. So you get that nut on. Not too tight, just snug like that. See this red? Red goes to red. Both systems tie seamlessly together. I mean, once we plugged it in and we got online, went right on. See, it says Slipform Wirtgen, SP94. Okay. See that? So that's how you know that those two are communicating.
The remainder of the week is going to be all operator training. We'll do some dry runs with the machine. The crews never ran the Wirtgen paving product, so just getting everybody comfortable for when the actual paving day starts.
All these machines in line, just like we're paving, and you guys are going to be walking and moving everything as if there's concrete coming, okay? So we need to know who's who and what's what, all right?
Right now, we have a new crew. We're trying to get everybody trained up on what's going on. They're well experienced with other machines, but they haven't been around the Wirtgen machine too much, so they're doing all the training and getting familiar with the machine.
When you're paving, if that operator up on the top keeps his concrete inside of his box consistent, meaning at the same height all the time, that means what comes out the back is consistently smooth.
And getting to know the machine a little bit better. That's what we're gonna do.
I mean, it's pretty exciting just to know that we have new toys and we're ready to go ahead and start working, show off what we can do.
There's one button for the all jog that lowers everything down at one time. Go ahead, lower it down. Okay?
We're going to stay close, make sure everything is going well, everybody's comfortable with the machinery, and we'll be here for a couple more trips anyway as the paving gets going. Make sure everybody's comfortable and the machines are performing up to the expectations Pulice Construction has for them.
Yesterday was our first day of paving with Pulice, and so we have a lot of people here, and we make sure that they know how to use the machines, and also from the application side we try to help them that everything runs smooth.
Hey, speed up a little bit. There you go. I kind of pretty much start them off from scratch because I know they don't have any knowledge on the machine. And after I do this with these guys for, let's say, 3 or 4 days, I still come on the job site, but what I basically do is I kind of hide. You know, I stand back, let these guys go through their own motions. Obviously, I try not to let them make mistakes. When I see them doing something, I try to stop that. But sometimes they have to make the mistakes to learn, you know what I mean? But when they make the mistake, I try to correct them. Hey, if you would have done it this way, it would have came out a little bit better from my experience so you can get what you want out of the machine. I think that these guys are coming along very fast, that they're paying attention and they're looking at detail and things of that nature, so I think they're going to be a good company for us to work with.
By the time they'll be done today, it's about 400 cubic yards for their first run. With live concrete, you don't have a lot of margin for error, and so far it's been a really good day, really good for a first day.
I've been working in this machine for 3 months already, and on the beginning was kind of hard to learn how to like operator, all the controls and everything. But now I feel kind of comfortable now driving this machine.
It's a learning experience. I mean, next time we go to another job, we already know how to use it. These are the same guys we work with every day, so everybody's got their position. Everybody knows what they got to do, so it makes it a lot faster, a lot better.
I mean, we got good staff, we got good equipment, which we really can't ask for much more. One more night, and maybe a couple of more days just to finish off a little bit of stuff here and there. Our crew will be following these machines everywhere they go, so